Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's a beautiful sunny, windy day here, October 12th, 2024. Doing some work in different parts of the food forest, and so dividing up some of the red currant bushes for sale as bare root plants, and moving some wood chips today, spreading wood chips up in the first food forest. And today I decided, since it's time to get plants healed in over the winter months, I extended this area here. So last fall we dug this area here out with the excavator, Elon, and we used some of the this was strictly the leaf mold material that we put in here. So it's got lots of weed seeds in it. So I weeded this out earlier this season. Over there is our horseradish bed, stuff that I dug up from the first food forest last fall and planted over there. And here are all the white oaks and tupelos in this area. And then this summer I expanded this, excavated out this area here, and then took a lot of the soil from the pond area that we excavated when we were digging the new pond, put that in here, and then there's some of the leaf mold compost on top of it here. The wood chips that I got were really lots and lots of sticks, not very well chipped up at all. Real pain in the butt to work with. Put some posts in. I'll bring some more. I've got a couple more cattle panel that I can expand and go around here. Excuse me. And I just got done doing some weeding in here. Gosh, that is a pain in the butt. So this is one of the English oaks here. That's another English oak here. We got several different varieties of white oaks throughout in here. Also a little honey locust down in there. I left that one for now. Different white oaks in here. Doing well. Another English oak right here. Another one there. Mostly all white oaks. Then we get down here, tupelos, black tupelo, Nyssa genus. They're really a nice plant as well. We got some of those planted. They get these beautiful fall colors and all. So just got done. Oh, excuse me. You can see some of the oaks down in here. I don't know how well you could see them. They're really small oak trees. And so we don't have the spots ready. I'm still doing more clearing in different parts of the property. But we want to have once we have the places cleared, these are a lot of the oaks and tupelos that will be reforesting, besides the rest of the trees that we're starting. And down here I prepped this area for the healing in a lot of the hazelnut bushes or trees that we've got, healing in some of the apples, maybe the Asian pear, some peach trees, some black locusts as well, getting those healed in here. There is right about in there, so this whole area really did a really big deep slope going down towards the house there, and I put the sediment collecting canal system right on the other side of all this material here. But this level, the ground level, was about 2 feet lower, and when I was digging this out, a nice big maple stump down in there, which I just covered up with about a foot of the other soil and all. So that's where we are right now with this here. And over the next couple of weeks I'll dig up the rest of the trees in the IBC totes. So those trees that are in the IBC totes, the black locust, the hazelnut, the Asian pears, the apples, peaches, those all get dug up and healed in over here. The ones that don't sell over this fall time. So that's what I've been up to today. There'll be some footage of me going through here and just straightening this out a little bit, and I think that about does it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye now.
Weeding has gotta be done, and it's no fun, but we're out here in the morning sun. Pulling the weeds, feeling the breeze, finding small pleasures among the trees. The one good thing about working the land, we get some exercise and it gives us a hand. With every tug, we're making things right, clearing the way, bringing in light. We feed that compost pile, watch it grow, turning waste to wonder slow by slow. While we're waiting, we find our place, building a future with each embrace. The clock keeps ticking, but we don't mind. We'll find our rhythm, let the world unwind. Patience is a virtue, they always say, so we'll keep on weeding in our own sweet way. The one good thing, it's a blessing in disguise. Time to nourish what never dies. While we're waiting, we'll plant the seeds, tending to nature and all her needs. We feed the compost pile, watch it grow, turning waste to wonder slow by slow. While we're weeding, we find our place, building a future with each embrace. The clock keeps ticking, but we don't mind. We'll find our rhythm, let the world unwind. Patience is a virtue, they always say, so we'll keep on weeding in our own sweet way. The one good thing, it's a blessing in disguise. Time to nourish what never dies. While we're weeding, we'll plant the seeds, tending to nature and all her needs. We feed the compost pile, watch it grow, turning waste to wonder slow by slow. While we're weeding, we find our place, building a future with each embrace. So here's to weeding under the sun, finding the joy in what's to be done. The time will come when we finally see weeding was worth it for you and me. Every moment spent in toil brings us closer to the soil. Life keeps moving, and so do we, weeding patiently, wild and free. We feed the compost pile, watch it grow, turning waste to wonder slow by slow. While we're weeding, we find our place, building a future with you and me.